In my next presentation, I am continuing chapter 13, linear equation in one variable. Solution of exercise 13.1. The fourth question I have given you up to E. So F, G, H and so on will be in my third part of this lesson, chapter 13, linear equation in one variable. So let's start. So F question or fourth question, solve the following equation and verify the solution. So 5 upon 12 into bracket x plus 5 equal to 5 upon 6. So solution of that 5 upon 12 multiplied by x is 5 upon 12 x, and 5 upon 12 multiplied by plus 5 is plus 5 5 is 25 upon 12, which is equal to 5 upon 6, which implies 5 upon 12x, we are taking positive 25 upon 12 on the other side as negative 25 upon 12. So 5 upon 6 minus 25 upon 12. That implies 5 upon 12x is equal to 10 upon 12 minus 25 upon 12, because 12 is the LCM and 5 is there, so we have to multiply by 2, and 6 is in the denominator, so we have to multiply by 2. So 5 multiplied by 2 gives you 10. 10 upon 12 minus 25 upon 12 implies 5 upon 12x is equal to negative 15 upon 12, because negative 25 plus 10 is negative 15 upon 12, and therefore it implies x is equal to, when you divide negative 15 by 12 by 5 upon 12, it is multiplied as its reciprocal. So negative 15 upon 12 multiplied by 12 upon 5, and 12 gets cancelled, and negative 15 upon 5 gives you x is equal to negative 3. So verification will be to substitute the value of x on the left hand side, because there is only in the left hand side there is x, negative 3. So 5 multiplied by negative 3, or 5 upon 12, negative 3 plus 5 gives you plus 2. So 5 upon 12 multiplied by 2 is 5 6 upon 6, because 2 upon 12 that will give you 1 upon 6. So that is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. G question. Negative 2 upon 3x plus 2 1 upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 3. So solution is negative 2 upon 3x is equal to, now 7 upon 3 I have written, that is a improper fraction, and when you take it on the other side it will become negative 7 upon 3, and therefore negative 2 upon 3x equal to 4 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3, that is nothing but negative 3 upon 3, because negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3. So negative 2 upon 3 x equal to negative 3 upon 3, and therefore since both the sides are negative and 3 are in the denominator on the left hand side as well as in the right hand side, so it will be negative 2 upon 3. We have to divide it by 3, so it will be 3, we have to take on the other side, and therefore x will be equal to 3 upon 2, because negative 2x equal to negative 3. So negative 2 when you take it on the other side, and both have become positive now. So we have to take 2 on the other side, and therefore it will be divided. So 3 upon 2 is the solution. Now verification of that. LHS is 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 2 plus 7 upon 3. That is negative 1, because 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 2 they are reciprocals of each other, and when they are multiplied you get negative 1, because negative 2 upon 3 is there, and plus 7 upon 3 and negative 3 upon 3. 1 means negative 3 upon 3 because LCM is 3, plus 7 upon 3, and that gives you positive 4 upon 3, which is equal to RHS. Since LHS is equal to RHS, hence the solution x is equal to 3 upon 2 is verified. H question. 1 upon 5, 7x minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 4, solution of that. 1 upon 5 into 7x, that is 7 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5 into 2, that is 2 upon 5. So 7 upon 5 x minus 2 upon 5 equal to 1 upon 4. That implies 7 upon 5x equal to 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 5. And since the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20, we have to multiply the first, that is 1 upon 4 by 5. So it will be 5 upon 20, 8 upon 20, because 4 5s are 20. So 8 upon 20 plus 5 upon 20. Yeah. So 8 means 2 upon 5 will become 5 4s are. So 2 into 4 is 8. So 8 upon 20 plus 5 upon 20. It implies 7 upon 5x is equal to 13 upon 20, because 8 plus 5 is 13. And therefore x is equal to 13 upon 20 multiplied by 5 upon 7. And therefore 5 4s are 20, and 13 upon 7 into 4, that is 28. So x is equal to 13 upon 28. Now when you verify, you get that correct. So you can see my verification. I question. Y minus 10 upon 5 is equal to 7 upon 25. Now y minus 10, you have to take 5 on the other side and multiply it by 7 upon 25. And that gives you y minus 10 equal to 7 upon 5. Because 5 5s are 25 and 7 upon 5. So 7 is in the numerator, 5 is in the denominator. So y is equal to 7 upon 5 plus 10. Now here 5 is the LCM. So we have to multiply. 7 will be multiplied by 1, 10 will be multiplied by 5. So 7 plus 50 upon 5, and therefore the solution of this equation is y is equal to 50 plus 7 is 57 upon 5. So now you can see the verification, and you will be able to know how I have solved that. So that completes our 13.1 exercise, and the next slide will have 13.2 exercise. Before that, the explanation of the word problems will be there. So word problem, to solve word problems, form the equation according to the given conditions in an unknown variable. Solve the equation to find the value of the variable. Example, find a number when decreased by 12 gives 30. This is the word problem. Let the unknown number be x. So equation will be x minus 12, because decreasement means minus 12 equal to 30. That implies x is equal to 30 plus 12. So x is equal to 42. Thus the required number is 42. Now B, example second. Twice a number after increasing by 5 equals 200. Find the number. Now after increasing, so we have to let the number be x. So 5 plus y plus, let the number be y I have taken. So y plus 5 we have to take first, and then twice of that. So 2 into bracket y plus 5 equal to 200. That implies 2 into bracket y plus 5 is equal to 200, and that is why now we have to divide both the sides by 2, because you can cancel that instead of opening the bracket. So y plus 5 equal to 100, because 200 divided by 5 is 100, and that gives you, that implies y is equal to 100 minus 5, and therefore y is equal to 95. So required number is 95. So let's start 13.2 exercise of chapter 13, linear equation in one variable. So first question, if 13 is added to a number, the sum is 32. Find the number. So same way, let the number be x. We have to write the equation for that on the given conditions. So x plus 13 equal to 32. That gives x is equal to 32 minus 13, which is equal to 19. So x is equal to 19. So the required number is 19. Second, the sum of 3 consecutive numbers. I told you that was 2 consecutive numbers. So here it is 3 consecutive numbers is 54. Find the numbers. Now how to express 3 consecutive numbers in terms of the variable. So let the first number be x. The second number, just it is more by 1, so it will be x plus 1. And the third number will be x plus 2, because it will be the smaller number. If it is x, then there is a difference of 2 between that number and the third number from it. So therefore, when you form the equation, we have to add it as x plus 1 plus x plus 2. Some of the students take only x plus 2 equal to 54. Then they will get wrong answer, because they have said the sum of 3 consecutive numbers. So 3x plus 3 equal to 54, and therefore 3x equal to 54 minus 3, which implies 3x equal to 51, which implies x is equal to 51 divided by 3, that is x is equal to 17. So the 3 consecutive numbers, since first number is 17, that is x equal to 17, we have to add 1 to it, so that becomes 18, and when you add 2 to it, we will get 19. Third question, 1/3 of a number when added to 5 gives 17. Find the number. Let the number be x. 1/3 of x means x upon 3. Equation x upon 3 plus 5, added means plus 5 equal to 17. So x upon 3 equal to 17 minus 5, that implies x upon 3 equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 multiplied by 3, and which is 36. So required number is 36. Fourth question, if 99 is added to 3 times a number, it becomes 132. Find the number. Solution. Let the number be x. 3 times x is equal to 3x. So 3x plus 99, because we are adding 99 to it, equal to 132. So 3x equal to 132 minus 99, and therefore 3x equal to 33. So x is equal to 33 divided by 3, which is equal to 11, and the required number is 11. Fifth question. Raman subtracts 12 from a number and divides difference by 7. He gets 6 as a quotient, and there is no remainder. Find the number. So let the number be x. Difference of both the numbers is x minus 12, and he is dividing that x minus 12 by 7, which gives him quotient 6. So x minus 12 upon 7 equal to 6. So x minus 7 equal 12 equal to 6 into 7, that is x minus 12 equal to 42, and that implies x is equal to 42 plus 12, which implies x is equal to 54. So required number is 54. Sixth question. If a number is divided by 6, the quotient is 5 and remainder is 3. Find the number. Now there is hint given, you know the algorithm, division algorithm. Number minus remainder divided by divisor equal to quotient, because quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to number. So that is how we have taken for this equation. Let the number be x. Equation is x is the number, minus 3 is the remainder, divided by 6, because that is a divisor, equal to 5 is the quotient. So x minus 3 equal to 6 into 5, which is x minus 3 equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 plus 3, and that is why x is equal to 33. So the required number is 33. The sum of two consecutive numbers is 3. Taking the bigger number as x. See, here they have given little twisted question. Bigger number as x. Find the numbers. Now, bigger number, if it is x, the smaller number which is before it will be x minus 1. It's a predecessor, no? We are given a number and we are asked to give its predecessor. So, we are subtracting 1 from it. So, x minus 1. Equation. X plus x minus 1 equal to 43. That is the sum of the numbers. So, 2x minus 1 equal to 43. So, 2x equal to 43 plus 1, that is 44. So, 44 divided by 2 gives you 22. So, the bigger number is 22. So, smaller number 1 less than it, that is 21. 8th question. A girl is 6 years younger than her friend. If sum of their ages is 34 years, find the girl's age. Now let girl's age be x. So her friend being younger, the girl being younger, her friend is older to her, 6 years older to her. So that is, we have to add to her age 6. So friend's age will be x plus 6. And their sum is x plus 6 equal to 34. So 2x plus 6 equal to 34. So 2x equal to 34 minus 6. And 2x equal to 28. And therefore 2x is equal to 28 divided by 2. So x is equal to 14. So therefore girl's age, since we have taken her age as x, girl's age is 14 years. 9th question. If woman is 29 years older than her daughter, now it is similar to that. Older means bigger, so more than it. The sum of their ages is given 63 years, find their ages. Let daughter's age, always you take the smaller age as x, then woman's age will be plus, so there is no question of negative coming here. So let daughter's age be x years. So woman's age is x plus 29 years. So x plus 29 equals 63. That implies 2x plus 29 equal to 63. That implies 2x equal to 63 minus 29, which is equal to 34. Now x therefore equal to 34 upon 2 and x equal to 17. Now so daughter's age is 17 years. And mother's age, since it is 29 older than daughter, 29 years more than daughter, so 17 plus 29, which is 46 years. Now you can verify 46 plus 17 is 63. 10th question. In a class, boys are 5 less than girls. Total students equal to 35. So we have to find number of boys and number of girls. So solution. Let number of girls equal to x. So number of boys, since they are less than them, it is by 5. So it is x minus 5. Number of boys will be x minus 5. So their sum is x plus, because total students in the class is 35. So their sum. So number of girls x plus number of boys x minus 5 equal to 35. So 2x equal to 35 plus 5, because negative 5 we have taken to the other side, transposed to the other side. So it is 35 plus 5 and 2x equal to 40. That implies x is equal to 40 upon 2, which is 20. So number of girls in the class are 20 and therefore number of boys will be 20 minus 5, that is 15. So you can see 20 plus 15 is 35. So that completes our chapter 13 in 3 parts. I have presented it to you. Please see all those parts so that you will know 13.1 exercise, with all the units, explanation of that, and 13.2 exercise solution as well as the unit explanation of that particular unit. And therefore, at a glance, you have to see from Viva textbook, ICSE textbook for standard class, standard 6, and Viva education publication textbook you have to refer to, and you will, all other textbook also will have the similar questions. So please, CBSE, SSC students also can refer to my presentation and then solve these questions which are there on the next slide, that is mental maths, and practice time is on this slide. Please solve these questions that will give you the revision of the chapter 13 linear equation in one variable, because the word problems are little tedious. You have to first form the statement with the statement, the algebraic form, and then solve it. So be careful about that. So children, like my channel, subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon, and also share my videos to your friends who are in standard 6 and your classmates also, and also share it to your family who have their children in standard 6. It will be for maths as well as science, because I have uploaded the videos, presentations, PowerPoint presentations of general science topics as well as environmental science topics for 1 to 5. So like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. God bless you.